Welcome to What's New at AWS. Previously, AWS Lambda test events were only available through the AWS Lambda console. Recently, AWS has added a new capability. Now, developers can create, share, manage, and use AWS Lambda test events to test their AWS Lambda functions directly using SAM CLI. Consistent use of test events across teams will simplify testing workflows and improve collaboration. Check out this new capability in this video. I have already created an IAM user with necessary permission on EventBridge schema and configured AWS CLI accordingly. I have also created a Lambda function and a test event using AWS Lambda console. SAM remote test event --help will show all the commands available for managing remote test events. Use help option to know the usage of any specific command. For example, SAM remote test event list --help to list test events for a particular Lambda function using the lambda arn with list command. Use get command with name option to retrieve the content of a particular test event. To save the event contents to a file, use output -file option. We can modify it locally based on our use case and invoke remote Lambda using the modified event using event -file option. We can see remote Lambda function has responded with updated event. Now let's try to upload the modified event content to an existing test event using put command. As expected, it failed and the error is suggesting to use force option to overwrite existing test event. Let's append force option. Refresh to confirm the change. Now we'll create a new test event content. Use SAM remote test event put command with new test event name to create a new test event. Refresh and we can see the new event in shareable saved events list. Finally, let's try delete command to delete a particular remote event. Refresh to validate. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.